The reason we got the swim spa is just a combination of things. It's great for exercise, and as you get older, you got some aches and pains. The water resistance really good for you. Plus at night, the family can use it to relax, and year-round, it's a real practical thing to have. We've got a small dog that gets in it too, so she enjoys it too. Went to a physical therapist here in Fort Wayne and showed me 4 or 5 exercises to do, and basically every one of them that you can do with water resistance. There's a rowing machine in it, you can run in place, you can do push-ups, you can do stretches, and it's just overall any kind of thing that you want to do, you can do it in water, and it's good for you. We had the deck and we had some concrete work done, but this enhanced it by putting this in the yard. I also added a TV set, some outdoor speakers, so you know, our backyard has turned into an oasis with it. I've owned probably 5 or 6 hot tubs, and this one by far has been the easiest to take care of.